What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a trailer build walkthrough. I'm joined with a special guest, Ben. He is a 0 to 7K course graduate, as well as an Inner Circle member. He's going to be walking us through his $13,500 pressure washing trailer build. If you guys are curious on how to build something similar to this, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. Me, Mike Vidan, Aaron from Aaron's Lean Academy, and Cody from Southeast Soft Wash recently built out a course showing you guys how to wash every residential surface from houses, roofs, driveways, also chemicals, chemical ratios, chemical mixes, and equipment, and how to set it up like this, plumbing, wiring, the whole nine. So like I said, if you guys are interested in that, check out the first link in the comment section description. But without further ado, Ben's gonna show us his trailer. We got Ben Wilson here. Ben, you want to show us around the trailer, man?
Yeah, what's up, guys? So this is the very first piece of equipment. I started with this. This is the one I've had since February of 2020. And honestly, if y'all are gonna start a pressure washing business, I recommend this pressure washer. It was like $1,500-$1,600, I believe. It's belt drive, 4,200 psi. It hits 3-story peaks with a shooter tip, everything like that. It likes to blow hoses though. Standard IBC tote. Got a 20-inch surface cleaner, broom holder. Me and my dad made a lot of this stuff in here. All of this is stuff that I made and designed with my dad. Made gun holders, got some chemicals and stuff. I made this board over here. This is my downstream. So I have 12 foot of whip line away from the pressure washer, so my chemicals come 12 feet away from the pressure washer, so there's no back feeding, any corrosion or anything like that. I built this blue manifold myself. I really don't recommend, you don't save enough money to get it. Just order it from Southeast or somebody like that. Then it comes into the 12 volts. This is my shirts box, which goes to just like my every single day washing, repetition, stuff like that, is plugged in and plumbed into here for my downstream. So all I do is just, when I pull up, I pull my water, get it on, then I pull my pressure line. I've got this, that's on, that's off, so soap, water, completely eliminates. It drops about, I'd probably say about 25% of the time off of a wash. That's my 12 volt, my soft wash system for like doing roofs or stucco, anything like that. 3 12 volt deep cycle marine grade batteries, and then just a battery tender. Plug it in, it plugs up to the outside, and then store some chemicals and stuff like that up here. This Craftsman's actually older than me. This was my father's, so we built this frame, put that around it. Still have some more shelving and stuff to put in here. Surfactant tank, bleach tank. I batch mix in this. I don't add any water or anything into it, but I will put soaps in there. And then say, you know, I get up and I need to do a roof wash or some stucco. I can go in to the blend manifold. So you got water, soap, bleach. The soap already has soap in it. So normally, like on stucco, I really don't have to add any more soap to it. But if I'm doing a roof wash, I can still pick up, that still has the bleach and the soap in there, and then I can add just a little bit of extra soap to it, and it'll pull out of there, and then you got a roof wash mix. So
excellent. So is there any particular reason why you went with an enclosed trailer versus either open trailer or a flatbed style?
Probably the two biggest advantages of doing a enclosed trailer is safety for your equipment. Wintertime, if you don't have a garage you can put it in, you can bring a space heater out here, put the space heater in it, put it on its lowest setting, like 60 degrees. You know, all you got to keep it is above 40 and nothing will freeze. And then, I mean, just the big giant billboards that will be going on down the road. So
right, so we're gonna get it wrapped then, right?
Yeah, full wrap for the truck, full wrap.
Get the whole thing wrapped. So how long did it take you to build up this setup in here, Ben? Was it like a one-time investment, or have you been building it?
I bought the pressure washer. I kind of ran things just for a very, very, very short time because I was sick and tired of lugging it out of the back of my Jeep. So about probably 2-3 weeks after I started the business, I went on my own whim and with, like, you know, my own money, and invested into it and bought the trailer for the business, and then immediately pulled it to my house, got the paint, painted it up, got the tote in here, and then over the course of a few months, all of this stuff just started falling in and adding in. I mean, there for, you know, quite a few months, I was rolling up my hoses on the ground and then bringing them in here and setting them in the floor and stuff. So
the last question for you, Ben, what is where are we going with this? What are the next upgrades? What would like your final setup look like?
This fall, all of this is getting ripped out. Putting in new 3/4 inch decking. Gonna line it up to about halfway up the walls, and then these are gonna all be uprights. This is gonna be changed out for a better tank. Gonna try to get all of the steels and stuff like that and only have like aluminum or stainless steel inside the trailer. These are going to come out, trying to hold out on the 18-inch real deals, but you know, probably going to have to source a Water Dragon or a Titan unless the 18s come out pretty soon. So
awesome, man. Well, thank you so much for showing us your trailer build, Ben. Hey, every guest that comes on the channel has picked the word of the day. So what would you like the word of the day to be?
Just keep hustling.
Keep hustling is the word of the day. If you guys made it this far in the video, comment that down below and I'll hashtag your real one. My name is Justin, Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.